Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Joanne Leoc, 34 years old, married with 4 children, age of 14, 12, 10, and 1 years old. I am a Roman Catholic and high school graduate. I have work experience in Singapore before for 8 years in 3 employers. My latest employer, I worked with them for 2 years finished contract. I served 3 members, Mom and Sir, and 1 2 years old baby boy. My main duty is taking care of the baby, do housework, cleaning, cooking, laundry, marketing, and do car washing. My second employer, I worked with them for 2 years, finished contract. I served 6 members, Mom and Sir, and 4 children, ages 2 years old, 6 years old, 12 years old, and 1 teenager, 20 years old. My main duty is taking care of the kids, do laundry, cooking, marketing. I send and fetch them to school. My third employer, I worked with them for 4 years, finished contract. I served 4 members, Mom, Sir, and 2 teenager, age of 16 and 21 years old. My main duty is do cleaning, cooking, marketing, laundry, and car washing. I am a friendly, trustworthy, and fast learner. I hope you choose me as your helper, and I will promise to do my best. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Have a good day.